Hi guys, welcome to our channel Sing and Car. If you like our video, please share and subscribe. Guys, we have brought 4 models in one video. 2 types of globe, Save Jungle, Save Earth and Plastic and Polybag Pollution. This is beautiful globe with purely waste and home material. Guys, you can see it looks so beautiful and it is actually very easy to make. You can see things are required. 1 plastic medium size ball, for globe stand 1 jar, plastic jar, 1 plastic tire, 1 world map, ducting tape, screwdriver, screw, beads, 4 beads, one bamboo stick, iron rod, black plastic tape, one cardboard strip. This ball is covered with blue paper and paste cutted map on it. After that, I have shaded it with crayon colors and written ocean names on it. You can see here all the countries' name is pasted on the globe. Now I have to hold both the side of ball to insert the rod. Guys, I am doing it with my scissor, but you can do it with as per your availability. Guys, you can see hole is ready and this is time to insert iron rod in it. I'm inserting my iron rod into my ball. After this insert, the rod is inside of ball. Guys, take out edges from both the side so that this ball can spin very easily and it look beautiful. Now take the decorated tire as a globe stand and fix cardboard strip in it with screws and screwdriver. Now guys, I have take out its edge from my stand and I have covered this strip with black tape so that it can be thick. Now take glue and keep one side rod the edge of this strip. Before putting this globe into strip, put 1 bead in it so that it can be spin. See guys, it is spinning. Now take another bead and put it inside and match the whole of strip with rod. After putting this strip into rod, lock with another bead. Now our globe is ready. See, it can spinning and looking very beautiful. As you can see, it is made by only waste and home material. This is another way to hold the globe in different stand. I have chosen plastic jar to hold the globe. Guys, I am doing hole into plastic jar with scissor so that I can insert my bamboo stick into it. Now I am taking one bead and inserting into it so that it can be rotate my globe. Guys, if you don't have any bead, you can use anything like pearl or anything which can be spin to your globe. Now put inside this globe to bamboo stick and lock this globe with your both the beads. Now I have done it. Guys, if you want to use this style of globe stand, please decorate this jar beautifully with glazed paper. Another project of ball is Save Jungle, Save Earth, and here stand is thermocol, and I have pasted so many dried grass and pictures of birds and animals. Guys, you can see I have used so many grass for jungle project and pasted with ducting tape. Last but not the least, my another one is pollution by plastic and polybags. Here ball is fully covered by world map and so many polythins are pasted on top of it. My stand is plastic jar. Guys, slogan is wake up before it's too late. Guys, earth is our life. If we will save it, it will save us. Guys, please save our earth. Thank you guys and have a nice day.